Angola, there's not really a distinction between Tarraxa, Tarraxinha, and Tarraxa. So it's just the name. So, you know, Angola, it's a...
Exactly. It's just the name.
Yeah, it's just the name. So then what people choose to do with the different names is the same, then, you know, it's up to them. But in terms of concept, it's the same. So, you know, Angola, we're colonized by Portuguese. And in Portugal, we have this habit of adding inho to almost, you know, everything. So if your name is João, they will call you Joãozinho. Right? If you want a bread which is pound, they will say pãozinho. Right? So it's adding inho to everything, which just makes it smaller, and it's kind of a cute way to address to something. Right? So it's just kind of in Portuguese we call it diminutivo, so it's kind of reducing the thing, you know, getting it smaller. So Tarraxa, it's again comes from Kizomba, and you dance Tarraxa is, you know, all the slow parts that you have in Kizomba, we call it Tarraxinha. So if you're just doing this body movement with someone, yeah, so then you are dancing Tarraxa, Tarraxinha, whatever you want to call it, it's the same. Then only when Kizomba came to then Europe, people started questioning what is Kizomba, Tarraxa, because they don't know the language, then they might think it's something different, but it's not something different, and they started splitting into, you know, this style is Tarraxa, this style is Tarraxinha. You know, it doesn't really exist. Obviously, people can then create things on top of it, but again, it's a name, and it just means what you do within the slow parts of the music. And it came from, you know, if you reduce the, I don't know if the word in English is like the decibels of the song, the music will become slow and slower and slower. So, and then you will be able to call that song a Tarraxinha or Tarraxa, just because it's slow and slow and slow. The slower it is, the slower you dance, the slower the movements, and this is what Tarraxa, Tarraxinha is.
When the beats per minute is lower than 86,
yes,
then most likely you're dancing Tarraxinha.
Yeah, I think the thing is, even when you have that melody that is like very slow, you can still have that beat present. Boom, boom, boom. So what people started then to add, you know, different things to Tarraxa. Because again, as I explained, because we dance to the voice and to the melody, and then some of the styles like urban, they would dance more to the beat. Then people started dancing urban with Tarraxinha songs, with Tarraxa songs. For an Angolan person, that would be, oh my God, what are you doing? You know, so it's kind of, you would never do ta 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 into like na na na, never. Right? So this is like, you know, that's why people perhaps are attributing different names to Tarraxa and Tarraxinha, perhaps to justify the way that it's being danced nowadays, and that's it.
To add to that, the distinction also between Tarraxinha and Tarraxa. Tarraxa is, it's like Fernanda said, it was and is part of Kizomba Tarraxinha. The reason why now it's very popular as a style is because one person were dancing in a particular way at a party, and then somebody said, "What are you doing?" And then a name was born, and a style was born, and this style slowly is now getting the world, conquering the world, and there's music developed also on that. But basically, like the Chiquinha and the Tarraxinha is what you find back in the Tarraxa. If you look at the Tarraxa style, the modern one, there's also now a distinction in smooth Tarraxa and the hard one. The hard one is like, comes from hip hop, which is popping and locking. and the slow one comes from Tarashina. So is it like really a style on itself? I would say no, but if Guani was here, he would kick my ass. But I mean, we can all name it how we want to, but it's important to know where does it come from and what does it mean. And so that when you're dancing, like Yolanda said, when you're gonna dance urban on a traditional song, it breaks even my heart. You know, because I'm saying that person cannot dance. Literally, I'm saying you cannot dance because you don't understand the music. We were dancing on a compa song, Zomba, and I said to her, this is compa. I was aware that it was compa. We were aware of it, but we're dancing something else. So the awareness is important, what you are doing. And that is why I think the explanation is important, that you are aware when you're dancing, or someone is dancing with you, you're aware of what you're dancing on, and what the thought, and even the culture, that's what the evening is about, is. Okay?
Sorry, just to say, for example, in Indian golden culture, if you're dancing to a Tarashina song, then I ask you what you're doing, then I would say Tahasho. You know what I mean? So you're dancing a song that is kind of named Tarashina slow, so I'm doing a Tahasho, which is like that vibe, that feeling, you know, slow.
Okay?
If you may guys, so I'm gonna play two music here, okay, to add up what I said. I should let you know the music as to why when the music come from. Okay, Tarashina, Tarasho. And even people play that, even the urban Kizunga festival, they play really Angola music, but people don't know that it's Tarasho, it's just Tarashina, for high beat and slow beat. So I'm gonna play the first one here. That, like Lucien said, the slow one. We just did it, lady. You can do slow Tarasho, we just did it, lady. And what it's all about, body expression. Okay? Now, second one. Is it urban? No. Changola. Tarashina. No. People see people do that thing is like you say, some style. It's not style. Everything comes from an original dance. And that's why even the teacher, a lot of teachers need to be aware of what they are teaching. Okay, so as I said, and the order guys is on my book. Everything is there. Everything they say there, I put in my book. Because we need a book to guide people. You know, because everyone can wake up and they say anything, and sometimes people believe that without knowing. There's just no source, and it can solve. And how cultural people they can read that book, and it's not perfect, but if it's something we can motivate from what I say into the book, it's available. Good, that's all. Okay.